In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned my $300 account to $3,000 by using this simple trading strategy. If you're new here, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel as that would mean a lot to the community. Getting back to the market, the first thing is first. You as a day trader, you must start doing analysis on the 4-hour time frame as this will help you get a bigger picture of where the market is expected to go. And by naked eyes, of course, one can say that this market is clearly on an uptrend and hence start looking for buy entries, correct? Well, that's wrong. Because if you see clearly and closely, you can see that this market's higher low was broken already by this candlestick right here. And we know for a fact that for an uptrend market to be broken, then the previous higher low has to be broken, correct? But why did the market break this level right here and still play out to the uptrend direction? So guys and girls, it is what it is called liquidity engineering. And no matter what the market will do, it will come to this level back again before going to its direction. Take note of that. So guys and girls, what's left for us is to determine how are we going to go with the market until it reaches this level, because we are day traders and we can't just simply stay idle and miss all this movement. And a good thing is, for us, we can see that this market already broke this resistance level right here, and this, if you observe clearly, is just the same scenario as what happened before the market went to this uptrend direction. Now we go to the lower time frame and we find our entries. So in order to be on the winning side, we have to think how retail traders will be entering into this market. Most traders would say, okay, this market broke this level right here and now it is on a retest, and furthermore we have a doji candlestick right here, which is a reversal candlestick. So that means we enter buy trades right now, right? Because you know what they say, you gotta ride with the trends, and they enter some reckless buy trades here, and once they lose, they will come and say, oh, Forex is a scam, nothing works, blah blah blah. But we as logical traders, we know where this market is going to go and that it is selling. So we enter our buy trades here with the stop loss just above this candlestick right here. Then I go to my Telegram channel and share this trade with my community.
A few moments later.
Guys and girls, as you can see for yourself, the trade went to our direction with almost zero drawdown. It was an entry that can be termed as kiss and run. If you want to join my Telegram channel and be with the winning team, then you can join via the link that can be found in the description below. For those that are new to this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you never miss any of my uploads. Bye bye, see you in the next video.